We are going to discuss the elimination of epsilon production in the simplifications of context-free grammar. The given productions are S tends to terminal symbol followed by non-terminal symbols capital A, then terminal symbols small a. Next, A tends to terminal symbol B followed by non-terminal symbols capital B or epsilon. Last one, B tends to terminal symbols A, B. To identify nullable symbols, a symbol is nullable if it can derive epsilon productions. In this production, A tends to epsilon is nullable. So, A is nullable. Since A is nullable, we must consider the cases where A is either present or removed in any production that uses capital A. See the first production, S tends to terminal symbols A followed by non-terminal symbols capital A, then A. In this production, A is nullable, so we also consider the cases where capital A is removed. When you remove the capital A, you will get the production S tends to A capital A or A. In the second production, A tends to small b capital B or epsilon. Here remove epsilon directly, keeping only A tends to B. Then you write A tends to terminal symbols B followed by non-terminal symbols capital B. And the last production B tends to AB. In this production there is no change since it does not contain epsilon symbol. So you directly write B tends to AB. This is the resultant grammar of eliminating epsilon productions. Let's go through the another example of eliminating epsilon production step by step. Given the productions are S tends to capital A, B or capital B. Next, A tends to terminal symbols A followed by non-terminal symbols or epsilon. B tends to terminal symbols B followed by non-terminal symbols or epsilon. In these productions, how to identify the nullable symbols? A symbol is a nullable if it has a production that derives epsilon. Here A tends to epsilon, B tends to epsilon. Both are nullable. Modify the productions to remove epsilon. See the first production, S tends to A, B or B. Since A is nullable, B is nullable. Replace A, then you will get B. Replace B, then you will get A. So the final production going to be S tends to AB or AB. Remove the duplicate productions capital B. In the second production, A tends to terminal symbols followed by non-terminal symbols or epsilon. Here remove epsilon directly, so the remaining productions are terminal followed by non-terminal symbols. Since A is nullable, so we also consider the case where A is removed. Because A is nullable, then you will get small a. Finally, you write A tends to terminal symbols A followed by non-terminal symbols or A. Last production, B tends to terminal symbols followed by non-terminal symbols capital B or epsilon. In this step, remove epsilon. The remaining productions are B tends to small b capital B. Since capital B is nullable, we also consider the case where capital B is removed. Then you will get small b. Here you write B tends to small b capital B or B. Finally, the resultant grammar going to be S tends to non-terminal symbols AB or non-terminal symbols A or B. Next, A tends to terminal symbols followed by non-terminal symbols capital A or terminal symbols A. Finally, B tends to terminal symbols followed by non-terminal symbols B or small b. I hope you all understood the problem. If you have any doubts, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.